In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reupload songs on Distrokid and keep stats. If you've ever had to put a track back up because you fixed the audio, updated the artwork, or restored a release, the most important goal is to keep your existing play counts, playlist placements, and links. The way to do that is by making sure every platform recognizes this as the same release, not a brand new one. Start by opening Distrokid and signing into your account. From the dashboard, choose Upload Music. You'll land on the same upload form you've used before, and you'll complete most of it as usual. However, there's one crucial setting that protects your stats and ties everything together across streaming services. Find the section that asks whether this single has been previously released and select Yes. You'll be asked to choose the original release date. Pick the exact date your song first went live on streaming platforms. This date is a key signal that helps services link your new submission to the listing they already know, which is essential for preserving your plays, playlist spots, and shareable links. Next, fill in the music information exactly as it appeared before. Keep your artist name, track title, featured artists, genres, language, version text, songwriter details, and any explicit or instrumental flags consistent with the original release. The more perfectly these details match, the easier it is for stores to confirm that this is the same record. If you're using the same artwork, upload it in the same file and formatting so nothing sends mixed signals. As you add your audio, make sure it aligns with what listeners expect. Small fixes are generally fine, but large changes, like a different length, a new edit, or a significantly altered master, may be treated as a different release by some platforms. Consistency is what preserves your history. Before you submit, pause for a careful review. Confirm the original release date is correct. Check that the track information matches what was live before. Make sure your selections for stores and regions line up with your previous distribution. A quick double check now can prevent delays, mismatches, or duplicate listings later. When everything looks right, submit the release. Processing times vary by store, so give it a little time. As your update goes live, you should see the song continue under the same listings, with your plays, playlist placements, and links intact. If anything seems off, be patient while platforms sync, then compare your details to the original and correct any inconsistencies. That's the process. Upload like normal.